Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add your EIN or employer identification number to your Shopify account. So let's get right into it. Now, I am outside of the United States, so I have no need for an EIN number, neither do I have some of the options to actually enter it. However, if you are within the United States or if you do business within the United States, you should go ahead and first go to the IRS site and apply for an EIN number, and once you get it, then you're going to be able to add it to your Shopify account. Now, to actually add it, what you're going to want to do is go to your settings page on your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're here, some people have the option to go into payments and add it from here. Some people have the option to add it under taxes and duties. If you're here under taxes and duties, you're going to have to go and select the United States first, and once you're here, you will be able to edit your tax settings. Now, I don't have any button here to add an EIN, and if I go into manage, I have the option to activate some of these tax options, and possibly if you have the option to select one of these, you can try them, and if you still don't have the EIN number, then most likely you do not need it on your account. However, what you need to do is just go through these options over here and set your EIN number if you have the option to do so. Now, what you're going to want to do to change that EIN number, if you accidentally made a mistake, you're going to have to go into the help section or the help center and actually talk to somebody who is employed at Shopify to help you change that number, since you cannot manually change it after you enter it. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.